Welcome to this eagerly awaited meeting of these two teams. Passed well. Some safe passing from this team. They have the ball again. Finds his teammate. He's unstoppable with the ball. Can he finish it? That's a goal kick. It is a clear, still night. Let's hope for a good game. Kicked outfield. Confident pass. Oh, a lovely crossfield ball. Good ball. Making use of the wide spaces. Now that was close. Not much in it there at all. They're just looking to keep the ball. This player is taking on the opposition. He tries something special. The keeper collects that one. That's good link-up play. Finds his teammate. Passed well. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Oh, well intercepted. Won the ball. Good distribution. That's good link-up play. Ooh, quality defending there. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Finds his teammate, and it's back to the keeper. Great patience here. What a chance! He's got under that a bit too much, I think. No goal. Let's see how close it was. We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today. And we're entering stoppage time now. This game really hasn't ignited yet. Which team are going to step up? So, 45 minutes left. What will happen in the remainder of the game? Good ball. And that's a throw-in. It really has been a clean game today. No cards just yet. He loves to run with the ball. And that's out for a goal kick. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Confident pass. Martinez. Oh, well intercepted. Striker's ball. That's nicely played. Oh, well timed, Martinez. Good distribution. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. The ball played back. He kicks the ball away from danger. Striker's ball. They're appealing, but he's onside. Well, that's high and won't trouble the keeper. The fans thought it had gone in, but let's see how close this was to it. Some of your players are getting tired. You should bring on a substitute. To do this, pause the game and enter team management. Keeper put his boot behind that. Headed on. Oh, defending. Finds his teammate. Passed well. He's cut it back inside. Oh, this is good stuff. Martinez. Well timed then. Great defending. And he plays the ball back. Passing the ball really well. That's nicely played. We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time. And it's finished goalless here. Both teams fought hard for their clean.